While you are standing here, everything you have ever known, the Earth, the Sun, and our entire Milky Way, is being pulled silently through the vast darkness. We are not simply wandering aimlessly through the void. We are caught in a grand movement, a cosmic journey toward a destination we cannot yet see clearly. Our galaxy is being hunted by an invisible force, hidden behind a thick, impenetrable curtain of cosmic dust and ancient gas at the edge of the horizon. Welcome to the greatest migration in the history of existence. A massive movement of light and matter across the deep, silent reaches of the expanding universe. For decades, astronomers have felt a tug, a massive gravitational pull coming from a region we cannot see, shrouded by the very galaxy we call home. This is the Great Attractor, a name that inspires both awe and terror. Representing a gravitational anomaly so massive it defies our standard maps of the sky. Something out there is calling us. It is a siren song of gravity, pulling thousands of galaxies across millions of light years toward an unknown and dark fate. In this vast emptiness, we are but a tiny speck, a passenger on a ship, sailing toward a mysterious shore we have only begun to understand recently. The scale of this movement is staggering, involving millions of suns and billions of planets, all drifting together in a synchronized dance of cosmic proportions and power. We are traveling at speeds that defy imagination. Yet the distances are so vast that our journey feels like a slow, eternal crawl through the night. As we look up at the stars tonight, remember that we are part of something much larger, a cosmic storm of gravity that spans the entire universe. 600 kilometers every single second. That is the incredible velocity at which we are currently racing into the deep, dark, and unknown cosmic void. Imagine our entire galaxy as a tiny piece of debris caught in a massive gravitational hurricane, moving faster than any bullet or jet ever created by man. Why is everything moving toward a single point in space? What massive entity holds the invisible chains of billions of stars, pulling them through the dark? Time and space bend under the weight of this attraction. We are moving toward a center of mass so large, it challenges our understanding of physics. The Virgo Supercluster, our home neighborhood, is just one of many groups being drawn into this massive flow, converging toward a hidden, powerful gravitational source. The Hydra-Centaurus Supercluster is also rushing ahead, joining us in this grand migration. It is as if the universe itself has a preferred direction. These vectors of velocity reveal a pattern. Wow, they are not random movements, but a focused, collective surge toward a mysterious destination deep in the cosmic shadows. As we get closer to the source, the density of matter increases. Galaxies begin to interact, their stars dancing in a violent, high-speed embrace of gravity. Behind us, the universe expands, leaving behind vast, empty voids. But ahead, the gravity of the Great Attractor is stronger than the expansion itself today. We are witnessing the raw power of gravity, the ultimate architect of the universe, pulling the very threads of reality into a singular, massive focal point. Think of it as a massive well in the fabric of space-time. Everything nearby is simply falling down the slope toward the heavy bottom of the well. The speed is relentless. Every second, we travel thousands of miles closer to an entity we have never seen with our own eyes through telescopes. It is a cosmic vacuum, and gathering the remnants of the Big Bang and shaping them into a new, denser structure in the dark heart of the universe. Light itself bends under the pressure. Even the straightest paths are curved by the sheer magnitude of the mass that lies hidden from our direct view. These galactic outlaws are racing through the night, leaving the comforts of their original birthplaces to meet a destiny they cannot possibly avoid now. Even individual stars feel the strain. The tidal forces of the Great Attractor reach across the void, subtly reshaping the heavens as we move forward. The motion creates ripples in the gas between galaxies, sparking the birth of new stars even as the old ones are dragged toward their final destination. We travel through the silence of the intergalactic void, a space so empty that our passage is the only thing happening for millions of years. From the smallest star to the largest supercluster, everyone is moving. No one is exempt from the laws of gravity that govern this cosmic migration. For a long time, we were blind to our herder. The Great Attractor lies in the zone of avoidance, a region hidden by our own galaxy. Imagine trying to see through a dense, smoke-filled forest using only your eyes. The dust of the Milky Way acts like a giant, cosmic blindfold. To our eyes, there is nothing but darkness. But the universe holds secrets that can only be revealed if we change how we choose to look. This wall of dust is made of the remnants of dead stars, creating a barrier that kept the Great Attractor a mystery for many human generations. Even our most powerful visible light telescopes were useless against this shield. We were moving towards something massive, yet we could not see it at all. We needed different eyes. By using X-rays and radio waves, we finally pierced through the dust to see the terrifying truth hidden behind the galactic veil. Suddenly, the darkness was gone. In its place, we found the Norma cluster, a massive collection of galaxies sitting at the heart of the Great Attractor. These giant ears on the ground listened to the whispers of the universe, catching the faint radio signals that had traveled for hundreds of millions of years. Each bit of data was a piece of a puzzle. Slowly, a picture emerged of a structure so large, it dwarfed everything we previously knew about space. This cluster is a graveyard of galaxies, where gravity is so strong that it pulls everything into a tight, violent, and highly energetic cosmic embrace. The radio sky is a different world. It is a map of energy and power, showing us where the real masters of the universe are hiding. We realized that our position in the galaxy was actually a disadvantage. We were living in a house with a view blocked by our own walls. This cosmic shadow once kept us in the dark. But human curiosity and technology have finally found a way to shine a light on the unknown. The anomalies were the first clues. They were the fingerprints of a giant, left on the fabric of the universe for us to find and study. The magnetic forces here are intense, echoing the raw power of the mass that sits at the center of this great gravitational gathering of galaxies. From orbit, we have a clearer view. We are mapping the invisible, tracing the outlines of the force that dictates our entire galaxy's long-term future. The static you hear is the sound of motion. It is the hum of a billion stars rushing toward a destiny they cannot see or understand. The truth is finally coming into focus. The Great Attractor is not a single object, but a massive congregation of matter in the dark void. Beyond the veil, the universe is crowded and bright. We are moving from our quiet suburb into the busy, crowded heart of the cosmic city. This is not a single black hole. It is a knot in the cosmic web, a place where gravity has gathered thousands of galaxies together forever. It is a beautiful and violent scene. Galaxies collide in a slow-motion dance, their stars mixing together in a chaotic display of pure gravitational power. At the heart of every galaxy here, giant black holes grow fat, fueled by the dense environment and the endless supply of gas and stars nearby. But even the Great Attractor is not the final master. As we look further, we see it as being pulled towards something even more massive and powerful. Introducing the Shapley Supercluster, a structure so immense that it makes the Great Attractor look like a simple stepping stone in the dark cosmic ocean. The universe is a hierarchy of predators. Small clusters are eaten by large ones, and those are pulled by even larger Laniakea across the infinite space. Everything is connected. We are traveling along the silk threads of a cosmic web, a network of matter that spans the entire known and unknown universe. This is the circulatory system of the universe. Galaxies are the blood cells, and gravity is the heart that keeps everything moving through the dark void. We are caught in a series of cosmic whirlpools. Just as we think we have found the center, we realize we are falling into another deeper one. Most of what pulls us is invisible. Dark matter forms the hidden skeleton of these superclusters, holding the galaxies in its cold, silent, and firm grip. In the chaos, some stars are lost. They become lonely wanderers, cast out into the emptiness, while their home galaxies are consumed by the Great Attractors. The scale of energy here is incomprehensible. Entire galaxies are crushed and reborn in a cycle of destruction and creation that lasts for billions of years. Imagine a sky where the stars are not points of light, but entire galaxies crashing into each other, lighting up the night with their collective fire. The universe is alive with movement. Even the void between galaxies is filled with the tension of gravity, pulling everything toward the great unknown destination. The cosmic machine is precise and relentless. Every movement is governed by the same simple laws that were set in motion at the very beginning. We are smaller than we ever dared to imagine. Our entire history has taken place while our galaxy has moved only a fraction of this distance. The ropes of gravity are unbreakable. We are tied to our fate, moving toward a point in space that was decided long before humans existed. Each galaxy is a grain of sand, and the universe is the glass. We are all falling toward the bottom, driven by the weight of existence. We are reaching the limits of our understanding. The closer we look, the more we realize that the universe is far more complex than expected. Oh, we belong to Laniakea, which means immeasurable heaven. It is a vast cosmic continent of which we are only a very small, humble, and distant part. In this grand structure, we are but a single drop of water in a vast, flowing river, moving steadily toward an ancient and hidden source. Like rain falling on a mountain, every galaxy follows its own path down the slopes of gravity, finding its way into the great cosmic basins below. There are borders in space. We live within the territory of Laniakea, bound to its destiny and its internal currents of motion and ancient energy. A silent war is being fought. While dark energy tries to push galaxies apart, the gravity of the Great Attractor tries to hold them all together. It is a race against time. If the expansion of space becomes too fast, we may never reach the center of the Great Attractor at all. We look at the stars and see ourselves. We are made of the same atoms that are being dragged across the universe by these giant forces. Our ancestors looked at the same sky, but they could never have imagined the scale of the movement that carries us all through the dark. Even when we feel perfectly still, we are traveling at speeds that would vaporize any machine ever built. We are passengers on a cosmic train. Our equations are incomplete. The Great Attractor reminds us that there is still so much we do not know about the true nature of gravity. The universe does not operate according to our wishes. It follows its own internal logic, a cold and beautiful plan that we are only beginning. Laniakea is our cosmic cradle. It is the structure that gives us a place in the infinite, a home in the middle of the void. In the end, we are all part of the same flow. We share a common origin and a common destination with every star in our neighborhood. There is a strange comfort in knowing we are not alone in our journey. Every galaxy we see is a companion in this great migration. We are just a small part of a larger story, a single sentence in a book that spans the entire history of time and space. Whether we ever reach the end of this journey does not matter. What matters is that we have finally realized that we are moving. In the eternal darkness of the cosmos, our understanding is the only light we have. It is the flame that guides us through the night. We are lonely travelers, heading toward an invisible herder. Our curiosity is the compass that keeps us from being lost in the deep void. Is this our final fate? To be consumed by the gravity of a giant? Or is this just the beginning of a new chapter in existence? The universe remains a place of mystery and beauty. Even in its most terrifying forces, there is a sense of order and grand design. As the lights go out, we carry the knowledge of our journey with us. We have seen the face of the Great Attractor in space. We are the explorers of the dark. We are the witnesses of the Great Migration. And our journey into the unknown continues forever in silence.